Have you ever noticed how a simple line, an EM dash, can instantly make your design look cleaner and more professional? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an EM dash in Canva in just a few quick steps. No extra tools or plugins needed. Whether you're crafting a sleek presentation, a social media post, or an eye-catching design, using an EM dash can help your text flow naturally and add that touch of sophistication that separates good designs from great ones. So, let's get started. First, open Canva and click into any text box where you want to add the EM dash. Now, here's the trick. You'll use your keyboard to access special characters. If you're on Windows, press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. This opens up the emoji and symbol menu, a small but powerful feature that many Canva users overlook. Once the menu appears, look along the top and find the Symbols tab. Click on it. Here, you'll see a wide range of special characters. Navigate to the general punctuation section. That's where the EM dash hides. Now scroll through until you spot it. It looks like a long horizontal line, slightly longer than a regular dash or hyphen. Once you find it, click to select it, and it'll be copied or inserted automatically, depending on your device. If it's copied, simply paste it into your Canva text box. And that's it. Your EM dash is ready to go. This tiny detail can elevate your text alignment, improve readability, and give your designs a polished, professional feel. So the next time you're designing in Canva, remember this little trick, because sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you add that extra bit of perfection to your next Canva project.